गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं। तो थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स देखते हैं कि क्या है ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Salesforce Order management is you are the central hub for the handling of the aspect of the order life cycle, including the order captures, fulfillment, shipping, the payment, processing, and service. With the order management app, customers can submit the order from any commerce channels and then track and manage the orders throughout the order's life cycles. Merchant can manage order fulfillment, shipping, payment captures, invoicing, and service by using integrated and customized business process and workflow. Service again can access a master repository of all order related information, see global view of the entire order life cycle and the process cancellations, returns, exchange, shipment, refund, and the discount. Next, Salesforce mobile app. The Salesforce mobile app is a designing for easy to data access on the go to the you can view Salesforce order management records page on the mobile app, but you cannot access to the console features like screen flow. Next, learn more order management resource. In additional Salesforce help, order management has a documentation resource to help you can learn about set of administration and the extend the order management app. Next, configure permission set for the Salesforce order management. Users assigned to the pre-configure permission set receive the permission according to the personal requirement and functionality. You can customize the permission set by cloning it and modifying the individual's permissions. Next, Salesforce payment and the order management. For easy to payment integration with the order management, install the Salesforce payment package available on of the app exchange. Order management, if life cycles uses order management to automate the manage to the order life cycle from the order captures for the full payment and the post full payment and service. You can also store data for the order that are managed outside of the order management. Next, order management object. Order management object together with exiting object represent the element of an order as the order process throughout the order life cycle. The process for the creating and records in order management depend on the storefront. For example, if you use to Salesforce B2B commerce, the B2C commerce integrations import order data into the order management. The terms, items, and product are used to interchangeably thought out. Order management usually technical areas like the API and flow and action used to items will be the user interface used to product. Next, order management and shopper and buyer the records. Order management uses the account and can be contact the object to represent business and the individuals. Shoppers, it is a can also use to person account to the represent an individual shoppers. When it is a receive on an order, it is a search for the shopper. It is find that is the shopper. It is associated the order with the exiting records. If it is does not find the shopper, it is a create and records for that is shopper. B2B commerce used to the term buyer the instead of the shoppers in order management in reference to the shopper, also the apply to the buyers. Next, configure order management flow. Order management work with Salesforce flow with which make it is easy to for you can create the manual and automated the functions. We provide out of the box flow the template for the process such as orders, summary creation, placing order on the behalf to of shopper, order the fulfillment and order receiving serving high scale order high scale order work with the B2C commerce and used to internet data service called zero object service source source act buffer for the storefront and order data that is would be authorized order management processing jobs and sent to the data to order management which create summers and process the orders. Deleting order management and records, creating this situation a requirement that is delete order management records. For example, some records can be contain the customized personal information and the order and subject to the data protection and the privacy regulation to the maintain data is integrally before you can delete the records. Consider independence and access to protection on the same data. Next, order management console. The order management console slow show all your the order information at a glance. It is include the tools that help you track, manage, and the service order the throughout the order life cycles. Next, order summary. And order summary pulls together all the order details into the single consultation view. It can be help you manage and service order before, during, the and after the fulfillment. Next, order fulfillment. The order fulfillment process streamlines the calculations, the assignment, picking the packing and shipment of the order items. Distribute order management. Order the management include the tools and distributing order the access. You the fulfillment network on the custom business logic. If you use those Salesforce omni channels inventory, you can consider incorporate in the availability features into the your order returning process. Next, payment and invoice, the authorizations capture and cancellation of the payment of assets as order move to that though stage in the fulfillment full fulfillment workflow. You the Salesforce admin can be automated the payment capture, invoice generation, and the refund the processing to help manage the payment and transaction needs. Next, process expectations. You can the automated order processing across every stage in the order life cycle. When you are the automated business logic in countries an issue that is interput normal process expectation of the virus issue can be case process expectation such as a failed front check the payment capture errors log of the available inventory of the problems without shipping orders. Next, service order management include the front template help you the automated the common service request. Use Salesforce admin can be copy the customize the template, then the make of the process flow and available in the actions and recommendation access sections on the order summary page. Your service agent can they quickly respond the request for cancellation, reshipment, discount, exchange, and returns. Next, report for the order management. User report to the retrieve and analyze the order fulfillment and payment the information to the help you the optimize service delivery and keep you the order and workflow running the smoothly. B2B commerce connections. When you use to Salesforce B2B commerce as store for front, you can the provision of the deactive integrated features such as omni channels inventory order the self-service order the integration and the card and check out the data. Next, to troubleshoot the B2C commerce integrations. If the integration of the B2C commerce with of the order management is not working currently, review this troubleshooting the tips. Next, journey of orders. Topical order flow on the journey look like the below and the question that can be asked the understood order processing from of the times and times it is a place from the better for and effective solutions. Next, order captures when are the most popular channels thought the which order placed by your the customer. It can the order place from the store front or any third party channels as well. Next, order fulfillment. Do you do you have any wash warehouse management system, inventory system in the place? Does it is a integrate with the system for the order fulfillment? How do you check the availability of product in the warehouse or the store of the nearest store in the fulfill the orders? Next, order deliver for the product shipping. Are there any system in the place for the integration or it is to done by ERP? Next, return the cancellation. What is the return cancellation process and the policy? Next, payment. Payment. What are the must decide the payment option by the customers? How do you process the product refund or the partial payment of the half of the cancellation orders? Next, Salesforce Order Management Systems. The Salesforce Order Management System has all of the necessarily feature of the OMS and much more. It is a discrete OMS that is a pre-connected to the Salesforce Commerce Cloud and can be the effectivity depend with you any of the cloud's product of Salesforce. Here are the some of the way in which of the Salesforce Order Management System help easy the process of the digital retail business, automation of the manual order processing, synchronizations of the inventory check and the place order, the occurrence of the channels, management of the complex order and shipping the schedules, online order tracking for customers, streamline the order full payment process, help with all the analysis and the report for the effective and decision making's ability of the prevent out of the stock, ensure of the forecasting in store layers, ability to of the order line nearest house the fulfillment order centers. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अगर मेरा चैनल आपको अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए प्लीज। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय।